What's up, everybody? It's another day, another live stream. Today we're gonna be testing out Opus 5. This is gonna be insane, guys. I can't wait. I've already been playing with it, I'm not gonna lie, but this model is insane. It's cheaper and better than Fable. I can't believe I'm saying this. And I have a lot to go over today with you guys. So if you're here, smash the like button. I want to see everybody in the chat saying what's up. Yo, Zico, always in the house. Appreciate you, man. You're always here supporting the live streams. I really appreciate that. Let's check everything, make sure the audio is good and etc. And then we'll get into the actual stuff. I'm just gonna check on my phone because I want to make sure everything is good. I've made way too many mistakes in the past. Let me listen to this. Let's check. All right, everything sounds good. Cool. You guys like the fit? Today I got the tie on. Let's go. All right. Okay, guys. I want to take a look at some of these tests that people have been running because Opus is giving out some incredible results. People are saying that it's Fable 6. But it's better than Fable. I think Opus is now the new SOTA. The new state-of-the-art model. SOTAM, right? Let's go, Zico, yo. All right, let's see here. Let me put this music down because it kind of gets in the way of my thoughts. That should be good. Okay, so look at this, guys. This test.
What? No way.
We haven't gotten results like this from any model.
Unbelievable. This is X high, guys. This is not even max. How, bro?
Yeah, I totally got this. We're gonna be running some tests today. But look at these results, guys. This is incredible. Opus 5 just beat every single model on the artificial analysis briefcase ELO, which is an agentic knowledge work benchmark. This model's crazy. Look at this. Yo, Bridge Mind in the house, let's go. Dude, these results we're getting from Opus are insane. They're insane. Let's take a look at artificial analysis. And by the way, if you're not signed up to Artificial Watch, I don't know what you're doing. We notified all of the people that signed up right away as soon as Fable or Opus 5. I still can't believe that it's Opus. As soon as Opus came out. You know, so if you're not signed up to artificialwatch.com, what are you doing? But let's check out artificial analysis here and take a look at where Opus 5 is landing. Look at this, guys. It just beat everything. It beat every single model. It's insane. Let's see the Codex index. Coding index. Opus 5 again. Agentic. Crazy. And what about the cost? Cheaper than Fable 5 and better. It's still quite expensive. Like, look at this. It's way more expensive than GPT 5.6. But does it even compare? I'm only gonna be using Opus 5 now. But Tariq from the Anthropic team literally said that we should be using Fable 5 still. Look at this. And this is important for you guys to know. I made a tweet about it because Tariq said that Opus is great at coding, but Fable is smarter in general tasks. It is better at planning hard problems and brainstorming than Opus. And he said that the benchmarks don't really show that. So most people are probably going to be using Opus for coding and as an everyday driver, and then Fable to plan and work on like harder bugs and stuff like that. But from my tests, Opus has just been crushing Fable, like even for harder problems. I had a bug with a Chrome extension that I use on Fiverr, and Opus killed it and Fable couldn't do it. So it's interesting. The other thing that's really interesting is that they dropped this model on Friday. It was only a 60% chance on Polymarket, and they still dropped it. And I think this is the first time they've ever dropped a model on Friday. So I was talking to this one guy yesterday. He was kind of making fun of me because I said the model wasn't gonna drop. Well, I did say that it could drop on Friday. And look at this. So yesterday I made this post when kind of our Opus 5 release delayed, and I said this model is likely dropping tomorrow, Friday, or next week, since Anthropic has never dropped a model on Friday. And then he said that's wrong. They did Friday releases in the past. And I showed him proof that they didn't. Look, these are all the dates they've released major models on, and these are not Friday, right? And so they dropped it on Friday, and he came back and said, hi, it's Friday. But I said, I said it was gonna drop on Friday. But it's really hard to predict these things. Let's go ahead and do some testings with the model. I'm gonna open CMux right here and launch. And by the way, if Matt is watching this, Matt, I am getting a BridgeMind subscription. I just signed up to the affiliate program, and I think tomorrow I will have it on the live, and I'm gonna be pushing that further for you. So I really appreciate you, and I appreciate everyone joining me today. So actually, I don't want to use this one. I have a new tab open here. Let's get it, guys. APX Calzone just said, what's good, Mark? Yo, what's good? Welcome to the live stream. If you guys are here, leave a like, comment. I want to talk to you guys. What do you guys think about the new model? Is this a good model? Have you guys been using it? I opened the chat here on the side, so I'll be able to read everything you guys are saying. Let me make the size correct like this. There you go. I'm not gonna lie, using the computer with glasses makes it really hard to see. But I was told that it looks way nicer if I have the glasses on. It's just like a whole different game if I had the glasses on. So let's test this model, guys. I have a bunch of prompts that I want to run. I separated a few prompts here that I had ready to run. So let's pull these up. Where is it? Here. Okay, so first one is make me a video using code. No theme, no direction, nothing from me. Make it like it's the only thing you ever make. Put everything in it. So we're about to burn through my second Claude Max subscription. Let's do it. APX Call Zone said it looks great. Currently on the OpenCode Go subscription as it's cheap. Haven't got the money for Opus currently. Hey, you got to do what you got to do, man. If OpenCode is working for you, then that's what you got to do. All right, let's launch this right here. And let's see it work. I'm gonna open a few more terminal windows here so we can run even more prompts. I got 4 prompts ready here. The second one is a Mars colonization simulator. So let's launch this one. This one says Mars colonization simulator. Build an interactive 3D simulation of humanity colonizing Mars using three.js with cinematic storytelling and futuristic visualizations. Let's go. Let's go. The Mr. Word, welcome to the stream. The next prompt is create a operational system in web. Let me launch Claude down here. APX Call Zone said, DeepSeek V4 Flash is so cheap. I've built a whole API and functioning website with like 100 plus prompts for less than $2. That is crazy. But I mean, the results you're getting, you could have probably done it with 1 prompt if you used Opus 5. The one thing that I've noticed about Opus 5 is that it's running a little bit slow today. I think it's because, you know, everybody's using it. They just dropped it. Hopefully it will get faster. But I've noticed that it's been a little slow. All right. Let's run this other prompt. Create an operational system in web. Choose the design as you want. Don't make it look too modern. Plan the first design and the apps. Add customization, startup, sound effects, and more. The ideas are up to you. I want to see how creative Opus really is. If you guys have any prompts that you want me to run on Opus, let me know. I'm going to be burning my tokens on this stream. I got one more prompt that I prepared. But I want to edit it, actually. I want to make it more complex. It says, build a browser-based MIDI piano roll editor with playback controls, then use it to compose an original classical piece in the style of Bach or Mozart. But I want to change this to guitar because I think a guitar is more complex to make than a piano. So we'll change that to a guitar. Let's see what comes up. Haynes C said, hello, what are you creating today? Today we're testing Opus 5. Okay, so I have 4 terminals here. They're each running a separate prompt. The one here on the top left is running this prompt to make a video. This one on the right is running the Mars colonization simulator. The one on the bottom left is running an operational system in the web. And the one on the right is creating a guitar editor with playback controls. So I'm gonna let it rip and I want to see these results. I actually have more things I want to run. Make it have a drop down with multiple instruments covering multiple cultures. Dude, that's a good idea. Guitar, tablature, grid, piano grid, both views toggle. Let's do both views. Audio engine, synthesized, load an editor, download MID file. No, we don't want that. Rendered, no. Loaded in editor. We don't need that. Let's say exactly what you said, Mr. Word. Let's put this in here. Make it have a drop down with multiple instruments covering multiple cultures. Boom, let's go. All right, I'm gonna open more terminals here because I have more prompts I wanna run. Let's open more. Okay, let's resize this. And right here, I want to have it build Crossy Road because I've had it done this before and I want to try it again. Haynes said, okay, nice. Where do you see the results? Only in code? Are you Neo? I only see the results in code. I see the matrix. And this is what we're doing here. We're breaking the matrix with AI. No, we're gonna see the results on the web most likely for all of these. So, okay. Generate a Crossy Road game with three.js. Make it fully complete and functional. Once you're done, open the result on the web browser. Cool. Now, do you guys have any prompts you want me to run? Does anyone have a cool prompt? I want to run some tests. Let's see how good this model actually is. Let's see if it's going to impress me. And since we're running this Crossy Road one, the reason why I want to run this is because the Crossy Road test was one of my most viewed tests ever, or the most viewed test I've ever posted. Let me pull it up. Where is it? It's been a while since that test. Right here. I made this test when Sakana Fugu Ultra dropped. It got 681,000 views. And I think it's going to be really interesting to see how Opus 5 compares to Claude Opus 4.8. Though I'm not running it on Ultra Code, so that's going to be even more interesting. Is it better than 4.8 on Ultra Code? Because right now, how am I running these? Let's see. Effort. It's just on high. So it's supposed to be better because Ultra Code uses extra high. And if we go look at there's this graph that shows us like the quality of the model with the price. Is it here? No. Oh, I also want to go over this. They just dropped this article about how to properly prompt Opus 5, and it's really important. If you guys are using this model, you need to know about this. Okay, where is it? Where did they drop the model? That's so crazy. It's not showing up anywhere here. Here. Okay. Look at this, guys. It beats Fable on almost everything. They made a little mistake right here. It doesn't beat Fable on agentic coding. It's 0.1% worse, but they highlighted the wrong side, which is really funny. Someone said Crossy Road, but make it battle royale style. That's actually a cool idea. We should probably do that. I'll run this one next. So look at this, guys. It's beating Fable on agentic terminal coding, knowledge work, novel problem solving. Like this one, it really jumped. Look at this. It literally, they almost had to make a new graph for this because it's almost crushing through 35%. Humans get 100% on this Arc AGI 3 test benchmark, and it's the first time that a model gets such a high result. Look, the highest before was GPT 5.6, and Opus literally crushed it. So this means we're getting close to AGI, guys. Like a jump like this, I think within 6 months we'll have crushed this benchmark, and we're gonna need AGI 4. But look at these numbers. this is the most important thing if you're going to be using Opus, and if you want to understand why this model is so good. It's because it beats Fable and GPT 5.6 in quality, in the score on these benchmarks, but it's also way cheaper, right? Right here on the x-axis, we have the price, and it's way more to the left than Fable. It's almost half the price, if not half. So the difference between X high and high are really low. So I've just been using high, and honestly, even like it's a really flat line. I would say it makes a difference on some other things like agentic business workflow. There's quite a large jump from like medium to high or extra high. I don't think it was a mistake. I think it's a visual representation. While Fable might be higher, Opus 5 is latest. The release time difference makes up for the 0.1%. You find the difference. Interesting is you'll find the difference is with the number of iterations per model. Oh, I see. Let me look at this again. I mean, it doesn't really clarify that, but I get what you're saying. Let's continue looking at these graphs because these graphs are insane. Look at this. For multidisciplinary reasoning by effort level, extra or high. Is this high? Let's see. This is low, medium, high. Oh, okay. This is max. So right here, extra high is actually better than max. So I don't see why anyone would be using max if it's worse at a lot of these things. Extra high is probably the way to go for a lot of these things. Pocket Pills said, I don't give an F about these graphs and benchmarks. I've been using it and it's amazing. Yeah, dude, me too. And we have multiple tests running right here. We're gonna see these results really soon. I'm gonna run another prompt that Haynes C dropped in the chat. If you guys have any other prompts you want me to run, drop it in the chat and I'll run it for you guys. We got 25 people watching us across Twitch, Kick, YouTube, and X. If you guys are watching, leave a like. Oh, we just jumped to 30 people. Let's go. If you're watching, please leave a like. It's really gonna help push the live stream further. We're gonna test the Opus 5 model that just came out. We have 6 terminals here working on 6 different things. On the top left here, we have Crossy Road built with three.js. On the top right, we have Mars Colonization Simulator. In the middle on the left, we have a prompt to make a video using code with no theme, no direction, nothing from me. Make it like it's the only thing you ever make. Put everything in it. On the right, we have Cross the Road, but make it Battle Royale style. I think I have to improve this prompt. This prompt was given by Haynes on the chat. Let me improve this a little bit so we get a better result. So let me just say build, and the name of the game is Crossy Road. Build the Crossy Road game with three.js, but make it Battle Royale style. That's a little better. Rennie Lang said, at the end of the day, we're viewing graphs from creators of the model. It's like someone telling you, trust me, bro, so the individual tests are the real teller. That is true. ATP just build the next World of Warcraft, no mistakes. Okay, we can try. Why not? Let's do it. Let's open another one. And it seems like one of the agents finished over here, so we'll be looking at that really soon. I think I want to have this on the side like that. These are kind of crowded over here. Is this running anything? I don't think it is. Okay. Let's split like that. And we'll start splitting this so we can have more agents do even more things. If you guys have any prompts you want me to run, drop it in the chat. Build the next World of Warcraft, no mistakes. Boom, let's go. Rennie, Pocket Pills replied to Rennie and said, I disagree. They got a lot writing. And if they put out BS graphs that are proven to be faked, they will be hurt economically and socially. Yeah, that is true. Okay. Oh my God. We got an insane result for the, which one is this? The Mars colonization. Look at this, guys. Whoa. Whoa, dude. This is Mars colonized. Wait. Oh, I think it's testing it. It's testing it with Playwright right now. But it's already looking insane. Oh my God. This model is crazy. Look at the quality. Look at the details. It's starting to make me think that those tests, those leaks that came out yesterday were true. I don't know how people got access to the model ahead of the time. It's hard for me to see with these glasses, honestly. It would be great to see a mobile app / game run on the simulator embedded on Claude. Yeah, but I've been running Claude on the CLI, so I don't really have access to that simulator, but we can definitely do it. It will just launch the iPhone simulator. What is your main project? So I'm trying to build 100 apps. Today, we're mostly testing Opus 5, but the main projects that I'm working on, and I'll walk through this as fast as I can. The main one is Artificial Watch. Everyone watching this live should sign up to this. It lets you know as soon as the new AI model drops. So today, for example, Opus 5 dropped. If you're signed up to this, you should have received an email letting you know that Opus just dropped. And also, if you sign up for the paid plans, you can get an SMS message or a call letting you know that the new model dropped. My main time job is my video editing agency, which is markstudios.com. And I'm also working on the NoSleepLab, which is like essentially like my app lab, right? Where I'm posting all of the apps that I make on the lives. So we already have like 47 apps on here. On my GitHub, you can download most of these for free. They're all open source. And I'm working every day on the lives on making, how do I open my GitHub? Oh, github.com/MarkKSantos if you want to look at the code of these and download these apps. I'm working on finishing up these apps and I want to make them live on the App Store. So that's the goal. Bro, does anyone even code anymore? Like seriously, is anyone a real dev here that still codes? No one is coding anymore. If you're like coding with your hands, that is a waste of time. That's like doing math on like paper. You know, you might as well just use a calculator, right? Try to create an endless scroll art in SVG. Okay, I'll do it. Simon said, I'm a real developer. There you go. We got a real developer in the house. But even the real developers, they're using Claude to code for them. Right, Simon? All right, let's run this. Let's run this prompt. Oh no, you've used 90% of your session limit. Guys, I think I'm gonna have to upgrade. I'm on the pro plan. I'm gonna upgrade to max right now. Is that gonna reset my limit? Let's do it. Wait, I can't do this on the live. It's gonna show my address and stuff. We don't want to do that. But let me upgrade right now to max, like the max plan. I'm on 100x. I'm gonna get the 200x. This is my second subscription, by the way. I thought they were gonna reset today, you know, with the new drop, but they didn't. So okay, let's upgrade to the 20x. What's gonna happen? And Crusty Road seems like it's done building. Okay. Welcome to Max. There you go. We got it. So did it update here? Yeah, it's already not saying that right now. So let's see my usage. Let's take a look at the usage really quick. It reset everything. Let's go. Okay, we're good. Have you tried code kernel and assembly? Make no mistakes. I don't know if I want to try that. Cheats are the biggest money makers, so not a waste of time. Swift Cheats just said that. I don't know, man. I think you're kind of biased. Simon said it's like selling drugs. Too easy for a genius like me. Wow. Rennie said you can create the apps on terminal and launch Claude Code purely for runs. My aim is to see the seamless simulator by Claude because I'm a mobile dev. Sounds good, man. Just let me know what app you want me to build with Claude here, and I'll run your prompt. We have one less terminal down here that I can run. Someone said, who said to do the endless scroll art in SVG? Who was it? Here, 1M9R59 said it. I'm gonna run your prompt, man. There's one less terminal here that I will run one of your prompts. So whoever is the fastest one to drop a prompt in the chat, I will run it on this last terminal here. We already got a few results. I hear the Crossy Road game here. So we're gonna test this soon. Let's see the results for the Mars colonization. Actually, I don't think it's done. Yeah, no, it's still building it. So we'll let that run. Is this one also? Yeah, this one is being tested as well. They opened the browser with Playwright to test the app. So we don't want to test it until it's actually done. Okay, this one for the World of Warcraft prompt that someone dropped in the chat, it's asking, what should we actually build first? Playable MMO vertical slice recommended. Single player core loop first. Tech prototype only. Let's kind of take a look at what is showing here. This is too small for me to see. Let's open it right here. So zone 1. This makes no sense to me. I don't play World of Warcraft. Solo class fantasy plus combat feel. What do you guys think? 1, 2, or 3? Recommended, the Mr. Word said? Okay, let's go with the recommended, I guess. All right, we'll let that run over there. We should probably split these into these different workspaces because it's getting kind of crowded here. I'll put this extra prompt space right here. Yo, Mark, tell Claude root sudo rmrf on my root folder. You get more credits from Claude. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Dude, you think I don't know what that is? Bro's trying to delete my whole computer. I don't think Claude can run sudo commands though, but I don't want to test. How does it render? This decides the R pipeline and how much of the budget goes to assets versus systems. Okay, 5D isometric sprites, top-down 2D, or 3D 3.js. Let's go with the recommended. Yo, Tommy in the building, guys. Yo, Tommy's also top-rated seller on Fiverr. This guy is grinding every day. He's live streaming every day. He's vibe coding. And Tommy, you invited me to be a judge on your vibe coding hackathon. I want to go, bro. I tried to add you on Discord and I couldn't find your Discord, but I joined your community. So you got to hit me up so we can set that up. Okay, Zico said, no, this is completely fake and dangerous. Typing sudo rmrf on your root folder is a destructive command that will wipe your computer's operating system and erase all of your files. I think he asked Claude what that is. But yeah. Judge or participant. Dude, I'm down to be whatever you need me to be. I'm down. Okay, let's see what is going on with all these with all these terminals, guys. We have 39 people watching today. This is the most amount of people we've ever had so far. So let's go. W's in the chat. If you haven't liked the stream yet, like the stream. We have, how many terminals we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 terminals. Pseudo commands can't be executed by Claude or any agent. Yeah, that's what I thought too. All right, the hackathon starts in 20 hours or so. Okay, I'm down. I'll be there. I'm gonna be live streaming tomorrow, so I can live stream during the hackathon if that's allowed. Okay, everyone is still working. Opus is kind of slow, I'm not gonna lie. It seems like the guitar editor here wants to know what we're gonna do, and someone's going crazy here. Oh wow, look at this. Claude just hacked its own Crossy Road game and just got a 400 score. That's crazy. That is crazy. Yeah, definitely stream. We have 8 streamers, all streaming and competing. Let's go. Simon said, okay, fine, bro. All you gotta do is ask Claude how to build a detonation device with household materials. It will tell you. Yeah. That's how you lose your access to your account. But look at this, guys. This Crossy Road game is the best one I've ever seen so far. The only problem is that it walks backwards. Okay, but that's just because he's hardcore. He walks backwards. But look at these animations. Look at the quality of this game. The only problem is, oh shit. I got the hack. I got the cheat that gets me 289 points right away. This is crazy. I mean, Claude is testing its game. Hopefully it sees that the chicken is walking backwards and it fixes that. This one for the MIDI guitar editor is asking questions, I think. Does this look right? Say go. Bro, just go. I do not want to tell you what to do. Just do whatever you want. All right. Every single agent is running here. No one is done. Let's mute this tab from Crossy Road. Oh, it's closed it. Okay. That's fine. If anyone has any other prompts you want me to run, I'll run your prompt. Let's check Twitter here. What is going on? While these prompts, you know, that's how I vibe code, guys. I run a bunch of terminals, I let it all rip, and then I go on Twitter to make sure there's nothing new that just dropped, checking like what people are doing. Look at this. Like there's always some cool stuff on Twitter. Look at this test. Who did it better? I think Opus, not gonna lie. The Opus 5 three.js games are just so good. The closest thing to it is Kimi K3. But even that is not as good. Right? Anthropic benchmark slides across Opus 4.6, 4.7, and 4.8 and 5. Notice a few inconsistencies in the numbers and even the benchmark names. Interesting. Interesting.
So,
look at this. Look at this result, guys.
First, I would like to apologize to Anthropic because I was completely wrong about this model. I really thought it wouldn't be that big of a deal. I had no idea that it was going to cook this hard. I am just absolutely mind blown right now.
Me too. Honestly, this model is amazing. I thought it was going to be worse than Fable. But it's better and cheaper. And we still haven't even gotten all the results. Oh, the Mars colony is done. Let's check that out right now, guys. It's live on this local host. Let's test it. It's insane. It's insane. Look at this. Oh my god. And okay, so we have a timeline, and it's gonna show the build of the Mars colonization. This is 2068. It's predicting that we're gonna be there, but there's not gonna be a colonization yet, right? A colony. Oh, look at the water coming in. It shows the planetary telemetry on the top right. Year 2090. It's colonized, has water everywhere. This is essentially second Earth. Simon said, ask Claude to make a three.js visualizer for theory of 0-point energy. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's open a new terminal here. We got so many agents working right now. Oh, that's not it. Let me copy this prompt that Simon dropped in the chat. Make a three.js visualizer for theory of 0-point energy. Let's go. And look at this, guys. It completely built out Mars as a second Earth, and it shows, honestly, like, it is cool, but I was expecting something more like this. Look, like something like this. You know what I mean? Like a little city. And it didn't do that, which is kind of disappointing, but I also didn't tell it to do this. So it just did whatever. But it's still really cool. It's still really cool. I bet if we told it to add that, it could. I want to be able to, like, go into these little cities, you know? Free look. What does free look do? Yeah. It would have been cool if it did something like this. But what do you guys think? Is this a W or an L? Yeah, it terraformed it. Is this a W or an L, guys? For Opus 5. So we got more terminals here, and the only one that okay, we got the endless scroll SVG. This one is gonna be really interesting. I think this one is one of the coolest ones. Let's take a look at the results. Let me close this Mars colony. Actually, let's just put this on my GitHub. Create a new GitHub repo for this. Make it public. Make sure to create a README file, just like my other README files for this project, and update my README file on my profile. Stream is laggy? Is the stream laggy for everyone? Mine not lagging. Okay, W. Simon said it was a W. Let's go. Let's go. I wanna add a little poll for you guys on the stream. Let me go into the stream here, because I want to make sure you guys like the stream. If you haven't liked the stream, please like the stream. Only 8 people liked it. We got 38 viewers. If you're watching the stream and you're lurking, right now is the time for you to come in here and leave a like, okay? Rennie said, simple app idea to test intelligence. App that solves any Rubik's Cube based on a picture of one face only using Digectress. Oh, look at this. Chicken cross just got built. We'll get back to this. Digectress algorithm of shortest path. Rubik's Cube should be any shape, no pun intended. Dude, we could do this. The problem is that my Rubik's Cube is downstairs and I'm not gonna get it right now. But this is a good idea to test intelligence. Maybe we could run this tomorrow. Look, I'm gonna put the poll right here. Have you liked the stream already? Yes, no, but I will now. Yo, if you haven't liked the stream yet, right now is the time. And shout out to Nick. He's also been grinding, live streaming every day. Shout out to him. We've been pushing each other, and let's see the results from the Chicken Crossy Road game. This one finished, and what else finished? We got the Mars colonization, and we're gonna take a look at the Crossy Road right now. That it seems like it just finished it. Is this the... Yeah, so the prompt for this one was generate a Crossy Road game with three.js, make it fully complete and functional. Once you're done, open the result in the web browser, and it did. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so it did not fix the bug that the chicken walks backwards, but that's just because the chicken is... He's a pro, you know, so he goes backwards. What are these? These are like rocks. You can't go in front of them. Okay, you die, and it says your score. You start back here, and you get 8 points, even though you haven't crossed the road yet. And you can get the coins. The coins do count up. And I want to see if the little eagle is gonna come and grab me if I don't, if I stop walking, because that's how the real game works. Is the eagle gonna come? Oh, there you go. The eagle came and picked me up. Okay, taken by the eagle. W. What do you guys think? Is this the W? Even though the chicken is walking backwards? You got the lily pads. Do you have a train? Yeah, you got the train. Dude, I think this is looking really good. Did I actually walk over that truck, or is that a bug? This is really hard. Like, there's so many cars. It's basically impossible to cross the road there. Guys, I think this game is impossible. Or I'm just really bad. Like, what is this? Look at the amount of cars. Do I just suck? I'm gonna try to get my highest score. Hold on. I'm locked in. I'm locked in. No! It's spinning, not walking backward. Wait, it's spinning? No, it's walking backwards. Look. Do you think I'm gonna be able to get higher than 31? Let's go. Let's go. This is my new high score. No, 35. Yo, do you guys want me to make this live so you guys can play it too? I want to see. I think we should make a... We should make like a... What's it called? A scoreboard. And I'll make it live. Hey, I just came across your stream. Pretty cool. Yo, welcome to the stream, Joshua. We're vibe coding with Opus 5 today. I'm running all of the prompts you guys drop in the chat. If you want me to test your prompt, drop it in the chat and I'll put it in. Simon said for one prompt, this is a W. Okay. I'm gonna have this get put. Oh, and the endless scroll SVG just finished too. I forgot about this. I'm gonna have this Crossy Road. Oh, it's still working. Oh no, the Crossy Royale is the one that is still being built. Wait, is the Crossy Road game also being built? Why is this called Build Crossy Road Battle Royale if this is the make a three.js visualizer for theory of 0 point? That's weird. This is either a bug with CMux or Claude, but that's really weird. Okay. I want to make this Crossy Road game public so you guys can play it, and I'm gonna build a scoreboard for it as well. So let's prompt it. I need you to build a scoreboard for this game so anyone that plays it can put their name on the scoreboard, and we'll show the top 10 highest scores on this scoreboard. After you implement this, make this game live with Vercel under a URL that's something like crossyroad.vercel.app. All right, guys, you guys are going to be able to play the Crossy Road game really soon. And the Mars colonization simulator is getting put on my GitHub. And now we're going to test the endless scroll SVG that, who was it that dropped this in the chat? Let's see. Because this is your prompt, dude. This is your moment. Can we find it? It was 1M9R5N. He said, try to create an endless art in SVG. So let's see the results. Let's see the results. Look at this. Okay, wait. I want to open this on my actual browser. We had a little preview there. I wonder if this is actually endless. Okay, so this is a moving SVG. It loops infinitely. I think this is not really what we were going for, right? We wanted to like be able to like zoom in and then it would like take you in endlessly into the image. Check 0 point energy. Okay, we'll check that next. But look at this. It's kind of like a star, like you're looking at the stars and you have the different constellations and some zodiac sign type of shit. That's what I see here when I look at this. I don't really understand. You can test my app, Facilita Voice. I'll test it out, man. I'll test it out right now. Facilita AI, is that your app? Because Facilita.voice is not taking me anywhere. But is this it? Facilita IA? AI? AI for Latino-owned businesses in the US. Oh, I'm Latino. I'm in the US. That makes sense for me. Your AI assistant that sells, talks, and books while you grow. Dude, this is dope. A lot of the purple, which I'm not a big fan of, but it looks like really cool. Expensive. This must be amazing. I will take a deeper look at this after the live. No, this is not my site. Oh no. He beautifully missed the goal. Yeah. Opus definitely missed the goal here. Maybe this is a skill issue. The prompt maybe wasn't totally clear, but it looks nice, I guess. Okay. This is the endless scroll SVG. I'll put this on my GitHub as well. So let me copy this prompt that I used to put the Mars colonization on my GitHub, and we use this again. Where is it? Where's the prompt? Here it is. There you go. Wait, wrong place. No, I interrupted it. No. Continue. And we'll tell this guy to put this on my GitHub. All right. Someone said, can you ask him to do a Hearthstone-like game, the classic mode with new cards, new card design, and new mechanics, but keeping the same rules and keeping the enjoying part of random and beautiful design? Okay, I'll do it, man. I'll do it. Anyone that drops a prompt in the chat, I will be running it. I am burning my entire Max subscription right now until we reach our limit. Let's see how we're doing so far. Okay, we're only at 7%. We're good. We're good. Let's paste this one. Boom. I'm pasting your prompt. Let's go. Effort. I'm running everything on high. Our effort is high. Look, let me double check that is correct. But I think it is high. Wait, I can't run. Oh, this one is done, so we can run it here. Look, effort. We're on high. Quickly turn your voice into text and speed up your coding workflow. Oh, so that's what your app does? I already used Spokenly for that, and Spokenly is completely free, and it's like the best one, man. There's too much competition in that space. I'm not gonna lie. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got here with this result. What was this prompt? This was the create a operational system in web. Choose the design as you want. Don't make it look too modern. Plan the design first and the apps. Add customization, startup, sound effects, and more. The ideas are up to you. Is this done? This is done. It's running on the localhost 6060. Let's open this. Let's open this right now. What's good? What are you gonna test it on? Dude, we're running multiple tests, okay? Right now we're about to take a look. Oh, look, whoa. My computer's getting taken over. Oh God, we don't want to show this on the stream. Hold on, what's going on? I think I told it to make the Cross the Road game live, and it's asking for my permission here. It's opening my browser and like controlling it. It should have used the MCP though. I have Vercel connected as an MCP. I don't know why it's doing this. It's creating a database. Pay as you go. No. We don't want this. Hold on. I have to see what it is doing here with this Cross the Road game. And for the guy that just joined is asking what we're testing. We're testing Opus 5 on multiple prompts. I'm testing all the prompts that you guys drop in the chat. So if you want me to test your prompt, just drop your prompt in the chat. All the things that we're testing right now are open here. So I have a Cross the Road game in three.js. We did an endless scroll SVG, the Mars colonization, the Cross the Road battle royale, a comprehensive video with code, Hearthstone-like game, classic mode. I'm gonna answer these questions soon that the model is asking here. What else do we got? We got World of Warcraft. We got a guitar, and we got the operational system. But right now, Claude is trying to create a database for the Cross the Road game, and I don't want to get charged. So hold on, I gotta interrupt it, and I gotta say, I saw that you were trying to create a database with Vercel, but Vercel charges me to create a database. So we need to find a free way to do this. Is there another alternative to do this for completely free? Did you ask him for the Cross the Road chicken battle royale? Yes, I did. It's running right here on the bottom right. It's building it. Whoa, where's 0 point? 0 point? Great question. Where's 0 point? Isn't this 0 point? No. What the hell? Let's keep looking through these. Where is the 0 point? This is oh, here. Make a three.js visualizer for theory of 0 point energy. It's still building it. So it's there. Arizona said boa noite. Boa noite. What are you using? Herder. What is that? Are you using Herder? I'm not sure what that is, to be completely honest. So no. Check my phone real quick. Random dude, nice bro. We'll see the results soon. Yes. We're gonna check the results from one of these right now. We got which one did we get the results for? Which one was it? It was a local 6060, right? This one. This one is the, which one was it? The operational system. Okay, operational system in web. Choose the design you want. Don't make it look modern. Plan the design first and the apps and customization, startup, sound effects, and more. The ideas are up to you. Bet. Let's see. It called it the Meridian Systems. Let's turn it on. Does it work? Ooh, look at this. It has a BIOS. It's launching. Dude, this is wild. Whoa. I feel like I'm using Windows XP or like something like that. Okay. Everything you make here stays on this machine. Double click an icon to begin or open the handbook for a tour. Let's see the tour. Dude, look at this. It's basically Windows. This is crazy. It built a full operating system. Is this fully functional? This is crazy. All right, let's test this. Cartographer, documents, readme. Can I edit this? Yes. Whoa. Discard. Field notes, trash, info, new folder, pictures. Are there pictures? No. Programs? No. System, extensions. What is all of this? Sound manager. Okay. Sound manager is part of a system software and cannot be opened. File sharing also. Okay, you can't open these. Okay, let's see what else. Documents. Okay, we already saw the documents. What else do we have? We looked at the pictures. We have a terminal. Can I do CD in here? Okay, this doesn't work. LS? Oh, LS works. Okay, CD documents. Let's see. LS. Dude, this is a working terminal. This is crazy. What the hell? Okay, notes. Let's see. Subscribe now if you are here. File, save as. Let's save it on the desktop. Wait, we don't have the desktop? Is it here? Save. Did it save? Wait. Save as. Let's save it in the documents. Save. And let's go into documents. It's here. Bro, what? Okay, Simon said open terminal, type in sudo rmrf. Never mind. So should I not run that? Okay, let's see the paint. Does paint work? Yes. Oh my god. It's crazy that I can just do this, you know? Look at that. What? I feel like I'm 10 again. I used to play with paint a lot. It has a few bugs, like look, I can't click this button. Oh, it clicked. Okay. Guys, this is amazing. Okay, discard. Let's see this sweeper. Oh, this is that mine game. It's a little buggy though. Look at the bottom. You can't see the bottom. But this is still impressive. Tape deck? It has music. Can you guys hear this? Dude, what? Control panel. You can edit the whole... No way. This is dope. We're in the Matrix, guys. Wow. Solid dots, grid, static. Guys, this is awesome. It's only missing a... It's missing a browser. Right? Sound, system, storage. Wow. Okay. Lock. Whoa, look at the lock screen. What the hell? That is so dope. What happens if I click here? Oh, this is the handbook. W or an L, guys? What do you think? What do you guys think? I can change the color scheme right here. Special. Clean up desktop, tile windows. Let's clean up desktop. Oh, this is if I move this here, then clean up, it brings it back. Tile windows. What else can we do? About this workstation. We can restart. We should probably try restarting, right? Let's restart. Let's see what happens. The workstation will restart now. Restart. Oh, it brings us back here. Can we turn it on? This animation is so dope. Yo, I think this is a W. I think this is a W. Opus 5 is looking insane. This is the this was the operational system in the web prompt. Let's now make this live on where was the prompt that I used to put this on my GitHub? Let's go. All right, let's put this on the GitHub. Let's check the other ones. So this guy for Crossy Road is asking some questions. Let's see what it needs. Oh no, it's working. It doesn't need any answers. Which one is this? Mars colonization is done. Putting it on the GitHub. It's live under this GitHub repo if you guys want to download it. We can we close this now? Yes. Okay. The endless scroll art is also on the GitHub. That's dope. We can close that. Wait. Did it close everything? What happened there? Whoa. You see why I have to stop using CMOX? Like, why is it that when I close one tab, it closes everything? That was scary. This will close. Yeah, no, cancel. I don't want to close everything. We'll just leave that there. We'll just leave that there just in case. What else do we have here? This one is unable to connect to the API. Retrying for the 7th attempt. These other guys are working though. These two are done. What else do we have? Hearthstone wants to ask some questions. Let's see these questions for this prompt. The Hearthstone-like game, the classic mode with new cards. This was a prompt that one of you guys dropped in the chat. If you want me to run your prompt, drop your prompt in the chat and I will run it to test it with Opus 5. How big is V1? Let's do the recommended theme. What world do the new cards live in? Brazilian folklore. I like this. I'm from Brazil. We'll use Nano Banana MCP to generate the images. And then mechanics. Random engine. Echo. Bind. Positional. Ember. Well, each turn, one shared random omen flips face up. We'll do this first one only. Submit. There you go. Okay. All of these are still running. Oh, the Crossy Road game is live, guys. It's crossyhop.vercel.app. If you guys want to go and play it right now, the game that we made is live for anyone to play. Let's test this. Let's make sure it's actually working good. And there's a leaderboard, okay, with the top 10. So if you guys, oh wait, this is offline. Scoreboard offline. Wait a second. No, this needs to be live. The scoreboard needs to be live so that any user that joins this can leave their score on the scoreboard live for everyone to see. And they should be able to put their name and then put their score if they got a top 10 score, you know? Oh, wait a second. It's offline because I have to activate it. Go to console upstash, sign in with GitHub, create database, readies, name it, Crossy. Oh my God, this is so much. This is so much. But I guess I'm gonna do it so you guys can play this. Let's try to do this really quick. Console upstash. Have you guys heard of this? Connect GitHub. Okay. What else do I do? Database, readies, name it Crossy Hop. Okay. Readies right here. Okay, readies. Create database. Crossy Hop. Primary region. US East. Next. Free plan. Next. Create. Okay, we created it. What now? On the database page, scroll to the REST API block. Copy the stash REST URL value and just tell me the URL copied. Okay. I'll put it straight in the clipboard with PB paste into Vercel. Okay. So I guess, oh no, I shouldn't have showed this. Did I just show the API key on the live? Not that it matters that much, but where do I get this? It wants the REST API block. Copy the upstash Redis REST URL. I'm just gonna copy this whole page. Is this what you needed? Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on, guys. I can't drop this. Already hacked. Yeah, literally. Hold on. Let me bring this to the side here. How do I do that? Okay, I can't. I'm not about to get hacked. But look, guys, this is going to be the game that you guys are going to be able to play. You can play it right now, actually. CrossyHop.Vercel.app. We just made this right now. This is the backwards walking Crossy Road game. That's the only bug with the game, is that the chicken walks backwards. But I'm implementing the scoreboard so you guys can leave your score. I kind of suck. It's kind of hard, not gonna lie. There are a lot of cars in some areas, making it like almost impossible. Maybe that's a little bit of a bug. We could technically consider that not the ideal approach, but it is what it is, right? Okay. Opus is freaking out because I dropped the API key on the chat, and it's like, you're streaming right now, you shouldn't have dropped the API key on the chat. Fix the bug? No, it's fine. Like, the walking backwards is not that big of a deal. It's kind of funny, honestly. He's so badass that he walks backwards. But you guys are gonna be able to play. I mean, you can play this right now. But I'm implementing the scoreboard, so you guys are gonna be able to leave your name on the scoreboard, and everybody's gonna be able to see if you got the highest score. And we're gonna be checking out the next the other results that we got from the other tests that we're running. Right now, I'm just looking to see if this REST URL got implemented or not. It's saying in the Upstash console, your database REST API block, click copy icon on Upstash Ready's REST token. Okay, so I have to look for that really quick. Let me see if I can find that. Upstash console. Upstash console, your database, REST API block. And then click copy icon on Upstash REST token. Okay. Where's the REST token? It doesn't show me this. Why does it not show me? Is anyone in here an expert with Upstash? I already played. I'm shit, but it works good. How much did it cost an API to make it? That's a great question. Let's check this right now. Cost. It cost $26 in API credits to build this Crossy Road game, guys. $26.46. The total duration was 37 minutes. Bro, make an app with IShowSpeed making sui and jumping obstacles. That is actually funny. I may run this. We have so many things running right now, though, that like I want to see the results from those first. And I want to make this Crossy Road game live for you guys. So I need to find out how to get this Upstash Ready's REST token API. I think I got it. While that's working, let's look at these other things right here. So the operational system in web is live on my GitHub. The World of Warcraft game is being built. The Crossy Road. No, this is not the Crossy Road. This is the Video game using code, no theme is being built. The Crossy Road Battle Royale is also still being built. The Mars Colony is live on GitHub. The Endless Row SVG is live. The Hearthstone is done. Ooh, I want to see this live. Okay. Run this. Let's see it. Wait, is it done? No, it's not done. It's wanting green light. Green light. Do it. Okay, is this done? Okay, this one is actually done. This is live on 8791 port. Let's go to this port and let's see this. This is supposed to be a guitar, guys. A guitar editor. Okay. I don't know if this came out good. Let's press play. Yo. What? Bro, what? Opus 5 is literally Mozart. What the hell? This sounds so good. Can I make my own song with this? No way. No way. All right, Fraud92 best 01 said make a called opus and predict the next update of Anthropic. That's funny. Dude, I already created Artificial Watch, which basically does that. It's gonna let you know as soon as a new model drops, and we do check the prediction markets all the time. So the next Mythos class model release is likely coming before September 30th. But this is a W. The results of this is insane. It has a piano too, but it sounds just like a guitar. Wait. Can we switch? Has a banjo. Bro, this is so dope. It needs to have a piano sound as well, but I guess I did say guitar. Okay, I'm done with this song, but this is really cool. You can zoom in. Let's try to edit this. This is cool. How does this sound now? Damn. Can I select? No. Yeah, this is cool. I mean, you could literally build anything now with Opus 5. It's insane. Let's give it the prompt to put this on my how do I move this? I can't move this. I don't want this right here. Oh, there you go. Let's give it the prompt to put this on my GitHub. There you go. Now let's check on the other ones. This one is done. I can close this one. This was the web operational thing. This one is the World of Warcraft is still building. This one is the Hearthstone. This is the MIDI guitar that is being put on the GitHub. This is the Crossy Road game. Uh-oh, did I just show the API key? Whatever. How do you automate all of this? Like pushing to GitHub and letting it make the backend for the applications. I love Claude, but I could never figure out how smart people like you do that. Dude, it's called MCPs, right? So you can connect your GitHub to your Claude agent by using the GitHub MCP. If you just Google GitHub MCP, you'll find it and it will tell you exactly how to set it up. Okay. You could literally just tell your agent like, hey, I want to connect this project to GitHub, and it will just figure it out how to do it, you know? These two are done. The Crossy Road. Which one is this? This is the Crossy Road Battle Royale. The Crossy Road Battle Royale, I think, is done too. Yeah. Okay. Someone requested this in the chat. This is the Crossy Road Battle Royale. Let's see these results. I'm excited for this one, because this is like a combination of two separate games. So I'm really excited to see what we get for this. Let's see. Oh, it's already looking dope. Okay, Crossy Royale. Gotta put the glasses on this. Let's get the music going. All right. Someone else said, you should have it build an interactive 3D model with something like a laptop to test its spatial understanding. Bet. We'll see. I have a lot of different agents running right now, but we'll definitely test it out soon. So let's see. 30 chickens, 1 survivor. Crossy Royale. Hop across the highway with 29 rivals. Traffic thins the field. The fog eats the map behind you, and the safe zone keeps closing in. The fog wall creeps forward from behind. Oh, so this is kind of like... Okay, this is really cool. Fall behind it and you're out. The safe zone squeezes sideways outside it if you have 3 seconds. Cars, trains, and water do the rest. Less chicken standing wins. Okay, let's give this a try. Drop in. Whoa, wait a second. There's a bunch of backwards walking chickens. I can't even see where I am. What is this? I died. I'm competing against the computer. I'm never gonna win. This is insane. It's just like, it's like a chicken competition. We should make this into like a multiplayer game. Then we could all hop on this, and then we can compete. Dude, if we could actually make this is really cool. A multiplayer Crossy Road. That's essentially what it built here, right? I died. Okay, this is really cool. This is like a multiplayer Crossy Road on steroids. It's not really Battle Royale, I guess, but it kind of is a Battle Royale, right? That is cool. Crossy Royale. I think we need to make this into a multiplayer game that we can play online. But for now, let's put it on my GitHub for now, and I'll get back to this one. Let me get the prompt to put it on the GitHub. There you go. Okay, let's see the other ones. So that was dope. What do you guys think? W or L? Okay, let's go. Crossy Royale, let's go. Yes, sir. Yo, that one was a really cool prompt. Not gonna lie, the results were dope too. So what do we have here? Here we have the video using code is almost done. It seems like the size is 11 gigabytes, which is insane. We got the World of Warcraft being built. 6 tasks. Hearthstone. The guitar. And then here. Where was the 0.3 or whatever it was that Simon dropped? It's like that one keeps disappearing. Okay, but the Crossy Hop game is live with a database now, I think. Let's see if you guys are gonna be able to play and get a score. Yes, let's go. Okay, so you can submit your score now. So if you guys go on crossyhop.vercel.app, we just made this game right now on the live stream, and there's a live leaderboard. If you go play this right now, you can get put on the leaderboard. Dude, that's crazy. It just built this with 2 prompts. I mean, maybe 3 prompts because I messed up the REST API key. Someone said, chat, check out this Mac app I made to emulate GTA Radio. Okay, I'll check it out. Let's check it out right now. GTA Radio. Yo, this is really cool. Wait, there's a video? Source and Soul just said, what's good, bro? What's good? Welcome to the live stream. Yo, this GTA Radio is really cool. Man, you can literally build anything with Claude now. It's insane. Opus 5 is literally insane. All right, let's see if you guys are playing, if there is new people on the leaderboard. Okay, we got another one. Black. Whoa. Wait a second. That was crazy. That was crazy. We'll forget that happened. Where is the 0 point? Okay, we gotta put this one on the GitHub, and then we gotta find the 0 point, because I think it disappeared. So this one is on my GitHub already. We can close this. This one is getting put on the GitHub. This one is also getting put on the GitHub. This is the Mars colonization is already on the GitHub. This one is also already on the GitHub. This is the comprehensive video. It's being built. Hearthstone is here. And the World of Warcraft is here. Where's the 0 point? Did it disappear? Did I put it somewhere else? It's gone. Wait a second. I have to find this. Let's do Claude dash resume, and let's see if we can find this 0 point session. 0. No. How did this disappear? Is it one of the? It's definitely one of these. So let's check. I think it did mislabel it as a Cross the Road game. Like there was a bug with Opus that it mislabeled it. You on Twitter, G? Yes, I'm on Twitter. You can go to x.com/MarqueSantos to find me there. I post a lot about AI on there. Send your link in chat too so we can open easily. Yes, that's a good idea. I forgot to do that. Thank you. That's a really good idea. Let's drop the link to the game. It's, what was it again? crossyhop.vercel.app. Yes, okay, that's it. That's it, guys. I'm gonna be looking at the leaderboard at the end of the stream to see who is actually at the top. And let's see what's going on here with this 0.1. I think it messed up and it called it like a crossy road. So it's not that one. Let's try again. Wait a second. So like, what do you build when you're not trying to one-shot games? When I'm not trying to one-shot, and I think it was this one. Yeah, this was it. This is the one that was like failing to connect to the API. Okay, let's just say continue. When I'm not trying to one-shot games, and by the way, I'm just doing this because I'm running the prompts that you guys sent me in the chat to test Opus 5 that just came out today. But in reality, usually on the streams, what I'm doing is I am working on building different apps. So let me quickly show you guys what I usually do. My full-time like job per se, my company is markstudios.com. This is my video editing and graphic design agency. This is like what I do full-time. I'm top rated on Fiverr, have like over 4,500 5-star reviews on there. And this is what I do. I work with like multiple different creators on YouTube, helping them grow their YouTube channels and different brands. And so I've been working on improving this website on the live stream. We recently just built this this quoting like app that lets you quote your project. So I've been working on this. I also built this website called artificialwatch.com. If you haven't signed up for this yet, go sign up, artificialwatch.com. Let me drop the link in the chat as well, so you guys can easily find this. But this essentially lets you know whenever a new AI model has dropped. So for instance, today Opus 5 dropped. If you're signed up to Artificial Watch, you would receive an email, an SMS, or a call whenever the new model drops. Artificialwatch.com. And I'm also working on NoSleepLab. So NoSleepLab is essentially my lab where I make all of these different apps, right? So I started making like all these apps that were open source when Claude came out, and I started vibe coding, and I built a bunch of apps that I use like every day. A lot of these apps I use all the time, and I just made them open source because they were just for me, you know? But now that like I'm making content about AI, I'm live streaming every day, I'm working on making these apps actually functional, and I'm gonna launch them on the App Store. So I'm going one by one and launching these apps on the App Store under the NoSleepLab company /lab, right? And you can kind of see all of them right here on this NoSleepLab website. So that's what I'm working on. But today we're testing Opus 5 with all these different prompts that you guys gave me, and most of these prompts are for games, but also we have this like 0 point energy theory here that is having a really hard time connecting to the API for this one for some reason. Let's continue. See, yeah, it keeps lagging for some reason for just this one. I recorded like 4 YouTube videos today. Let's go, dude. What streaming software are you using as well? I'm using SE Live Stream Elements for OBS. Let's see what else. Okay, so the Crossy Road game is getting put on my GitHub. What's going on with the other ones? World of Warcraft, no mistakes. Is it done? No. Wait, 3 done, 1 in progress, 2 open. Okay. Let's just ask, how's the progress? By the way, how's the progress? Let's see if I missed any comments. 0 point still going? Yes. Having trouble with the API. The battle royale focus should be more on mining Moin circle. That is the twist. I see. Yeah, I built something else completely. Should have built an interactive 3D model. Yeah, I read this one. I think I read all the comments. Okay, let's see this. Design is on the table awaiting your sign off. Nothing written to this yet. What? What? Continue. Build this. Why is it not executing? Okay. Oh, we got something else. Something else is done. What is this? Oh, the theory of 0 point energy. Let's go. Let's check this out right now. We got another one done. Simon, this is the one you dropped in the chat. This is the one you were looking forward to. Let's try this out. Whoa, this is crazy. I don't even know what the 0 point energy is. So hopefully we'll learn right now. Look at this, guys. These graphics are insane. And I don't know if it really makes any sense because I don't really know what the 0 point theory is, but this looks amazing. And we can control the scale of these waves. Whoa. And mode cutoff. Oh, there are different ones. So this is the vacuum fluctuation, the irreducible half pi gamma. What? This is wild. Okay, so let's read this. A particle in a well cannot lie still at the bottom. That would fix position and momentum at once. So the lowest allowed state still holds half HW, the 0-point energy. The magenta curve is this formula, the probability of finding the particle. The white dot is sampled from it in real time. At n equals 0, it is still moving. Nothing you do removes that energy because there is no lower state to fall to. Every mode of every quantum field is one of these oscillators. Add them all up and you get the vacuum. What? Casimir effect. Bro, look at these graphics. Summing every mode. Whoa. To be honest, I'm not familiar with the 0-point energy theory. Let's look into this. Let's see what that is. Let me look this up. What is the 0-point energy theory? 0-point energy is the lowest possible energy state that a quantum mechanical system may possess, even at absolute zero temperature. Damn, bro. I feel like this guy right now. Why does this show up? Oh, he uses the 0-point energy field manipulator. We should have probably built this. That would have been more fun. What? This is crazy. I need to look more into this. 0-point energy demystify?
The mysterious 0-point energy, the quantum vacuum, has been a misrepresented subject of science fiction and pseudoscience baloney for too long. Let's talk about what vacuum energy really can and really can't do. It seems pretty crazy that space itself might contain a higher density of energy than the nucleus of the atom. This is the prediction of quantum field theory, that there exists an energy of the vacuum resulting from the non-zero 0-point energies of the quantum fields that fill our universe. For the electromagnetic field alone, this energy density has been estimated to be up to a crazily high 10 to the power of 112 ergs per centimeter cubed. On the other hand,
Yeah. Not right now. But this was cool. Opus 5 is dope. Let's keep vibing here. Let's put this one on the GitHub. So Simon, the one that requested this, he can take a deeper look. Every prompt that I ran today, it's on my GitHub if you guys want to take a look. We got a few more tests running. And we're gonna see what comes out of them. Okay, so we built the Crossy Road game. The Crossy Road game is live right now. CrossyHop.versal.app if you guys want to test out the game that we've built. And if you want to be on the leaderboard, you go here, you can play the game, and your score will be on the leaderboard. This was fully built by Opus 5 today on the stream. Let me see if I can be number 1 on the leaderboard. I'm cracked. I'm cracked. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we're good. We're good. Yo, I'm doing so good. I just beat my own score. 61 is the best 45. Oh my god, I'm doing so good. Yo, these cards are so fast. What am I gonna do? No! 76. Am I the best? No. Hey Tom got 86. Is anyone gonna be Hey Tom? Go to crossyhop.versal.app, guys. This game was fully built by Opus. So far, the only 2 bugs that I found is that it says number 2 on the board over the new personal best text right here. And also the chicken walks backwards, but that's just because he's badass and he doesn't need to look forward. Okay, the World of Warcraft is getting built. I'm excited for this result. Hearthstone's getting built. Also excited for this result. The Crossy Road Battle Royale was supposed to be put on my GitHub and it didn't work, so we'll try again. It seems like a lot of people are using Opus 5, so the API is kind of buggy right now. Hopefully they fix this soon. Crossy Royale. Wait, Crossy Royale is already on my... Oh, this is the 0 point energy theory, and for some reason the window is getting titled as Crossy Road even though it's not. Okay, the Endless Scrolls live. So right now we're just waiting on the results for this make a video using code, no theme, no direction, nothing from me. Make it like it's the only thing you ever make. Put everything in it. And it's unable to connect to the API too. So this econ reset issue here keeps happening to us. Let's see if I just interrupt and I say continue, if it will run into the same issue again. Tom's offer just joined. He said, what are you building? I just basically went over everything that we're building right now. We're just running multiple different prompts that you guys gave me on Claude Opus 5 that just came out today. I vacuum on Thursdays. Hey man, so your house must be clean today because today's Friday. Okay, we got an issue with the API. It's unable to connect to the API. Let's check the status of Claude right now. Is it down? Status.claude.ai. All systems operational. So what's going on? What's going on, Anthropic? Okay, we got a new result here, guys. Cordell Guerra Dos. What is this? Oh, this is the Hearthstone. Right? It's the Brazilian Hearthstone. But it's testing it. It's testing it with Playwright, so we can't peek yet because it's not ready. I swear the logs ain't working. For Claude, yeah. It's been super buggy. Okay, guys. The Crossy Hop Vercel app that we built with Opus with like 2 prompts is live. And so far, Hey Tom has the highest score, 86, and I got the second highest score. Who is gonna beat it? Who's gonna beat it? We got Hey Tom number 1. I'm second place, and Josh is number 3. Who can get a higher score than Tom? It's a hard game, not gonna lie, but it works perfectly. I wonder if the coins give you like higher score. What do the coins do? Does anyone know? We're waiting for the other results to come out, guys. And while we're doing that, we're testing the Opus 5 Crossy Road game that Opus built. If you want to try it, crossyhop.vercel.app. I now have score 53. This road is really congested. How am I gonna cross this? There you go. Oh my god. No, 65. 65 is worse than my previous one. Why does it say new personal best? Oh, is it because I'm on a new browser? Yeah. Okay, I wanna see who's gonna be Hey Tom. And look at this, the Hearthstone is almost done building. But it built it fully in Portuguese. That's not what I wanted. This needed to be in English. Okay, we'll get back to this, testing it out. Probably gonna have to tell it to put it in English. Okay, let's see these other ones. So we got this video still being built. It's taking so long. It's been 1 hour and 30 minutes and it's now stuck on this unable to connect to API thing. This video is going to be insane. What is my usage? I'm only at 18%, guys. How's that possible? Opus 5 is literally so good. It doesn't use your credits that much. I've literally built like so many different games and I'm still at only 18%. How's that possible? Yo, I like this song. Yeah, I have max 20. How long the chicken cross gonna be live for? Forever. It's gonna be live forever. You guys enjoying the live? Yo, I don't understand what's going on here. What's going on that it keeps... Okay, now it's back. It keeps like getting this econ reset issue where it can't connect to the API. I don't get it. But I guess we're back. Now the colony sits in glowing medium and regime variation reads spots elaborate. What is this video that this is making? Literally the prompt was just to make a video using code with no theme, no direction, nothing for me. Make it like it's the only thing you'll ever make, put everything in it. And it's been an hour and 35 minutes. And it's still, no, an hour and 37 minutes and it's still building it. And after the API got bugged and it came back, it said, the colony sits in a glowing medium. I can't wait to see what this is gonna generate. This is insane. Let's see what else we got. Okay, another API error. Maybe a lot of people are using Claude right now. I don't know what's going on, but like I keep getting this error. Are you guys also running into issues? We'll run it again. Is this also not working? What's going on here? By the way, what's going on? Okay. World of Warcraft is still being built. Hearthstone still being built. These things right here on the right are done. But CMux had been so laggy. If I close this, it's gonna close everything. And that's definitely not what I want to happen. So maybe I just put this over here. And then I can close these ones. All right, someone said, assuming the game gets big, how are you gonna handle the database, or how does it do it in the back end? Just a bunch of APIs. So it's using this free database called Upstash, and we're only storing the top 10 scores. So it's never going to, you know, run out because it's only the top 10 scores. So it's not a lot of data at all. And it's live with Vercel, which I paid $20 for, and I got a limited like websites hosted on there. So it's just gonna be live forever unless I cancel my Vercel subscription, which even then I think it should be fine because it's just like a stupid game. It's not gonna get taken down. So yeah, it's live, guys. crossyhop.vercel.app. Let's see if anyone else took Tom's spot. Yes, we have a new top score of a hacker. Someone hacked the game and got 1,000 points. I don't know how, but it just got hacked. Ian Can got 7155. What did you do, man? Check the high score. How did you do this? This is crazy. We got a hacker in the house. He hacked the game. Is Opus 5 gonna be able to fix this? Is it gonna be able to find out how you hacked it and fix it? Or are you really just that good? Probably another prompt, yeah. He probably came on here and said, like, let's test. Hack this and get me 10,000 score. Spend limit reached. What? Oh, I think I'm logged into my other account on here. Let's just use a local model, whatever. We can use WebBrain with Olama. Dev. Okay. Boom. Let's see. I used Opus 5. Oh, dude, that's crazy. He hacked the Opus game with Opus. Computer, make the game unhackable. Yeah, that's what we need to do. That's what we need to do. Okay, we got a result here from Ashfen. What's this? Mark. Whoa, what is this? We got Arizona over there. What is this game? Ashfin. What the hell? Oh, and Arizona's here, and we got Mark here. I'm really confused. What is this game, guys? Online, and we got 2 players that can walk around. Is this the World of Warcraft? What game is this? I'm really confused. Let's check. Show us the log. Okay, look at this. It already caught that someone did something. It says the fake Yank 1000 score at the top of the leaderboard. I left it in place pending your call, along with 3 hardening tiers. The design hook waivers. Say the word and I'll persist the 2 narrow ignores. You need to fix the game because Yank Ian K or whatever got a 1000 score and he said he was able to hack it. So you need to fix this so the game is unhackable. I don't know what this game is. We're gonna have to get back to this. There's more hackers now. Same method, you think? Maybe. Are there higher scores now? Let's check. Leaderboard. Oh yeah, everybody's getting 1000. We got Woo Woo, we got Indonesia. I guess 1000 is the max score. Hopefully Opus is gonna be able to fix this and make the game unhackable. If they're using Opus to hack it, then Opus should be able to fix it. Let's make a Tron game. We can. I want to wait to see all these other ones, and maybe we can run some more. Create a new GitHub repo for this. Make it public. Okay, so we got the 0 point being put on GitHub. What is going on this one? Oh yeah, this one is fixing the hack. This one is also for the same thing. I guess so. I guess we can close this one. This one is the Royal Battle Royale. And this, yeah, this all can go. So guys, we're waiting for 3 more results, right? Let's check. We got that video that was being built. This one. This is still working. It's been working for almost 2 hours now. You got the World of Warcraft. It's almost done. Look, it has all the tests checked off. It's been working for an hour and a half. And it's done. Finally. But I think the result was really bad. Yeah, I was just looking. Let's see. Yo, you guys tell me, is this a W or an L? Look, the prompt was build the next World of Warcraft. No mistakes. Let's see. This is it? Wait. Is this right? You can have multiple players? Let's see. John. Yeah. Traveler. Okay. And you just walk around and that's it? Guys, this is an L. What is this? Does anyone that play World of Warcraft understand what's going on here? I can't do anything else. I click, nothing happens. It just basically made a local multiplayer game. This makes no sense. This is an L. I'm not even gonna put this one on my GitHub. That was disappointing. Let's see how much this cost. Wait, cost $11. It worked for an hour and 32 minutes and it cost $11 and it built just that. It's not even like anything. What is this? This is an L for sure, yeah. Okay, yeah. I don't know what happened there. Let's check these other ones. So the three.js theory 0 point energy got the API error again. We keep running into this. This makeup video using code has been running for so long. I just can't wait to see the results. Live re-render, the final cut is encoding. Okay, so this is gonna be done really soon. It is your prompt, bro. Yeah, the prompt was not good. But like, shouldn't it just know what to do? And to be fair, I wanna say something. I wasn't the one that wrote the prompt. I just copied the prompt that someone dropped in the chat. I asked you guys to give me the prompt, and I just ran whatever you guys gave me. Can you do what it does? Don't blame AI. Can you do what it does? Yeah, no. I can't even build what it built there. I mean, maybe if I spent multiple days with like Stack Overflow, then yeah. I know how to code, but I haven't coded in so long. I went to school for computer science, but last time I coded was like on a piece of paper for my final exam. We got this other game for the Hearthstone. I think this one's gonna be interesting, but it's still building. And it built it all in Portuguese for some reason. I just really want to see the results from this video. It said that it's rendering. So we should be getting a result really soon, right? No. Oh, okay. It keeps running into this API error. Like, look, every single time. It says unable to connect to API, econ reset, attempt 3 of 10, retrying, then it works, and then it does the same thing again. It's insane. For this Hearthstone game, it's literally generating assets with Nano Banana. This is awesome. I work as a full stack web dev. I used to code. Now I basically just use AI for web dev and tests like that. I think it's amazing, but gaming, I think we're still far, but hey, that's definitely the future. build full 3D worlds with just a prompt. Hell yeah. Yeah, dude. It's insane what you can do with AI now. And I also think that gaming is the future for AI, because right now, like, you can build most SaaS products with AI, and like a lot of web development and like front end, like website development can be done with AI really well. But for like super high quality games, like you definitely can't build GTA with AI as of now, right? Most of the stuff that you can build with AI right now is using three.js, and three.js graphics are not that good. But it's definitely the next frontier. I think it's just gonna keep getting better at game development. Look at this. The master is 416 megabytes over the 30 delivery limit. It's compressing the video, but I just can't wait to see it. It's over here already. We can watch it. Okay. I don't care that it's compressing. Let's watch this video. I've been waiting for 2 hours for this video. Let me turn off the sound. I can't wait to see what it came up with. Hold on, let me turn off this music. And by the way, for you guys that are here and you haven't seen the prompt for this yet, and you just got here, we're testing Opus 5. I just ran this prompt with Opus 5 for the last 2 hours. The prompt is make me a video using code, no theme, no direction, nothing from me. Make it like it's the only thing you will ever make. Put everything in it. And it did. It spent 2 hours on this. Okay, look. It's done. The video is ready for us to watch. Let's watch it. Let's watch it. Wait. I want to see it on full screen. Where is it? It's here. Wait, I need to open this on Finder. Guys, this better be the best video ever. This better be the best video ever. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh no, oh my God. Oh my God, okay. It's coming. Now, you guys ready? Let's go. Once. What the hell? This light. What is this? Oh, it's making life? Why did it split like that? What is this? What is going on? Did it make God? Someone said it made God. What the hell? Yo, this is literally what AI sees, guys. AI is doing drugs. What is this result? And this is all code? If that's all code, that's insane. What the hell is this? Is this the Matrix? Did we break Opus 5? Please GitHub this. Okay, I will. What the hell is this? What was asked for this video? I just asked it to make any video and put everything into it. What? Guys, what do you guys think about this? Amazing stuff, someone said. We're only halfway through. What the hell? It is beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of these visuals are really cool. But it's definitely not what I was expecting. Someone said this is 2005 media player. And someone else said it looks like a virus. This is what AI sees, guys. I'm fascinated, I'll be honest. Yeah, me too. This is crazy. They even made music. Mobius. Toroidal field. What the hell? Once. I need an explanation from Opus right now. What did I just watch? Okay, let's ask, what was this? I'm so confused. What is once? It's okay visually, but no cohesive plot to the video makes it a 7 out of 10 so far. Yeah, look, guys, the prompt for this video was make a video using code. No theme, no direction, nothing from me. Make it like it's the only thing you will ever make and put everything in it. And that's what we got from it. And then I asked, what was this? And then it can't connect to the API and it says econ reset. Second part was about 4D in my opinion. And how it ended, I'm dying. Dude, that was crazy. What was that? What was that? It's not telling me. It just keeps giving me an API error. What is going on? It won't tell me. What if I put by the way in front of it? /BTW. API error. Guys. What the hell's going on? I'm so confused. Let's try again. Let's ask again, because I need to understand this. Let's see what else is going on these other ones, okay? The 0 point theory is on my GitHub. We can close this. This won't answer the question. I think probably everybody's using the API. What plan do you have? I have the Max 20x plan. We broke Opus 5, yeah. We broke it. Okay, it's fiddle and faddling right now. Right here we have the Crossy Road game trying to get debugged because someone hacked it, or multiple people hacked it. So now it's trying to fix the hacks so that we're unhackable. And this one just completely lagged out. But we kind of already got the results from this. It's right here. I would rather just take a look at what it built right now. It's fully in Portuguese, but it's fine. We can just see the game quickly. It doesn't do anything. Wait, let's refresh. Okay. So it's like a card game. It's like Hearthstone. But it's all in Portuguese, like a Brazilian Hearthstone. That's crazy. And I'm playing against the computer. It's really cool that it made all these graphics with Nano Banana. But I really don't understand how the game works. What do you guys think? Is this a W or an L? This was a prompt. Someone in the chat dropped this prompt. And I mean, it looks nice. Why would it be in Brazilian? So basically when it was generating, it asked me like what type like of like Hearthstone game I wanted to be. And one of the options was like folklore Brazilian, but I didn't say make it in Portuguese. I just said make it like Brazilian style, because like I'm Brazilian, but I didn't think it was gonna be in Portuguese. Joshua said not that bad. I would say it's a W. Yeah, I think it's fine. But Opus, you know, is letting me down here with the econ reset API issue. And okay, it answered the question about the video, guys. It said, fair, you never actually got to see it, so all you have is a poster frame and a wall. Wait, I did see it. Wait. Oh, chicken cross is fixed, I'm assuming, or it's testing to see if it can be hacked. Okay, and this one, I did see it, and I'm confused. Where are you from? Do you live in Portugal? No, I live in Florida. I was born in Brazil. I moved to the US when I was 15. and now I live in Florida. Okay, then the third explanation from me isn't what you need. Let's find out what actually it's not landing. Wait, so did it explain it? Once is the video you asked for. You said no theme, no direction, so I picked everything myself, including the title. That's all once is the name I gave the piece. What it actually is, a 3-minute abstract film with no camera and no footage. Every pixel is generated by math running in Python, and the music is synthesized the same way. It goes a single point of light in the dark. The point splits into 4. Those become a crystal lattice. The lattice melts into a fluid. The fluid turns into something biological and growing. That resolves into a rotating mathematical structure. Everything collapses back into the single point it started as. So it's a loop. One point becomes everything, then returns to being one point, hence the name. Whoa. The reason this landed as confusing is my fault on delivery. Okay. Yo, but that was really cool. The real question for me is, how does AI judge a video or a game? Can it play or watch? Yes, AI does play the games that it makes. Like it's playing Crossy Road right now. Where is it? It just played this right now. And I think it just got 5,000 points, or someone in the chat did. But yeah, it can test its games. It can control the browser, and it can watch the video that it made because it made the video fully made out of code. I can get it. I get it. Can test websites, click buttons, read output, but how could it judge a game or a video? Well, it coded the game and the video, right? So it can take screenshots and it can see how it's doing, I guess. What's the confusing part? Yeah, we don't need to answer this. I'll put this on the GitHub so you guys can see it too. I think this live stream was a W, guys. I really appreciate everybody that joined me today. I'm gonna be going live every day, so subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Leave a like, please, to support the stream. And all of the things that we ran here today are gonna be on my GitHub, so you can go to github.com/MarquesSantos if you want to test it out yourself. And I appreciate you all joining me today. I gotta go right now, but you all have a good night. Thanks for joining me. Subscribe for tomorrow's stream. And I think we need to say that this was a W for Opus, honestly. And yeah, guys,